Good evening, all. So, I asked from you guys, like, I need 5 to 10 minutes to start the class today, right? So, because I had to take, right, mama and come back to home again, right, and deliver the package. And then after that, I received, I came here. Then, right, I think I came here like 6 p.m. I had, oh, yeah, then. Okay, guys. So first of all, let's discuss some homeworks, right? So most of you guys have sent me the homeworks, and some of you didn't send me. Right? Some of you didn't send me. Uh, what are the hard questions that you have? What are the hard questions that you have? Another ගෙදරට කරන්න බෑ මතක් වෙන්නනේ. hard questions ටික හම්බෙන්න ගෙදරට කරන්න බෑ. hard questions නෑනේ. නෑ. hard questions නෑ මම දන්නවා ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. හරි. සුපිරියටම පුළුවන්ද? right. So the in I did some homeworks in group 2 so that I won't pick those homeworks to you guys. Right? I will choose differently. Right? So then I will discuss. First of all, tell me, is there anything from exercise 2.2, right, that you feel hard? What Amaru කියලා හිතන මොකක් හරි තියනවද? රිතික් on කර රිතික්. Yes, camera on කර. මම දැක්කනේ flash වෙලා යනවා. I am giving you chance, okay? Right? Okay. Tell me, මට message එකක් කියලා තියෙනවා. බලන්න. එකක් නෙමෙයි බර ගොඩක් කියලා තියෙනවා. බලන්න මොනවද කියන්නේ කියලා. So can you do the what did you want to? Okay. 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 Square root of 676. දෙව්වි මොකද්ද මේ? ඒක that question is not here නේ මේක. දෙව්වි. මට පේන්නේ නැහැ but I will do that. Okay. Okay, I'll do. So I will pick some questions from exercise 2.2, okay? Right. Homeworks. Mega right? These kind of questions will be there in your exam. Homeworks. Square root. Right. So I will take exercise 2.2. Page number 4, right? Page number 4. Right. So you have to use the division method. So I will take exercise 2.2, fourth question. Right? Fourth question, which is square root of 2809. Right? So here you have 4 numbers. Right? So what is the thing that you need to do at the first stage? What is the thing that you need to do? 4 numbers, you have to find the square root of this 2809 by using the division method, right? Okay, so if I have to use the division method, I need to separate this number into groups, right? Each group having 2 members, right? So here in this number we do not have any decimal places, so that this is it, right? We do not have any decimal places. To my right hand side, this is a whole number. When you are grouping, you have to group from your right hand side to left hand, right? Right to left. Right? So first two numbers this, second two numbers this. 28, 10, 0, 9. So I will write it with a small gap between two pair of groups. Right. Right. Now I am going to apply the division method. Right. So what is the perfect square that you can use for this first pair? Right. What is the perfect square number which is equal to this or less than this? What would be that?
5.
I'm asking the perfect square number.
25.
25. So how 25 forms? Yes, Hiruja got the thing, but Odda dismissed. Right? Yes, 25. So how the 25 is formed? 5 into 5. Right. Yes, super. Right, 5 into 5. Right, get the subtraction. It is 3. Right, take this two numbers down. Now you have 309. Now what you have to do? Double the quotient, right? Multiply the quotient by 2, right? So this is 5. And I'm going to multiply it by 2. 2 times 5, 10. Now I have to fill this space and also this space. Both spaces are same. Identical, same number, right? Same identical number you have to put, right? From 0 to 9, right? Either you have to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? From out of that 10 numbers, you have to choose one number for this space. Base space one number, right? So what would be the ideal number that you have to put here? Because here you have 309 and this 309 should be satisfied by using this number and the multiplication of this quotient and this full number. What it would be?
3.
Yes. Yeah. Let's see. 3. I think it would be the perfect match that you can put here. 3 into this. 3 times 3, 9. Super. 3 times 0, 0. Okay. 3 times 1, 3. Nice. Get the subtraction? 0. So the square root of this will be 53. 2809. The square root of this will be 53. Exactly, it is equal to 53. Right? Exactly, it is equal to 53. Right. So then, so this is from part 1 now. Take a part 1. Exercise 2.2, part 1, fourth question. Yeah, but is in Eva game that is gonna be the right. So I will move to exercise 2.2 second part. Exercise 2.2 second part. Exercise 2.2 second part. Second part group 2 එකේ කැවුවා හරිද so can you find the square root of 8 to 19 කියලා මම බලමු මොකක්ද කියලා මේක right exercise 2.2 වල second question එකේ part A වල first two things set මට කිව්වා හදන්න කියලා මේ 8 හරි 19 හරි square root එක අනිත් ටික හදලා ට හොයාගන්න බෑ මේක 8 වලයි 9 වලයි square root එක හොයාගන්න බෑ කොහොමද අනිත් ඒවා ඩයල් එක හදලා මාර ඩයල් එක මටත් එක්ක ඉනා මේ අහපු ප්‍රශ්නෙට හොඳයි right okay so guys from second question part A right is there any Hard one? Is there any hard one? No, Peradeniya. Is there anything? Fourth question. Square root of 263. Hydrogen. No,
No, sir. Sixth one.
Sixth one. Right, okay. Instead of sixth one, හරිද? ඒක මෙල්ල දින අනිත් පැත්තට හිරුජන හරි. ඒක fourth one කියන එක. හරි. So instead of sixth one, I will do fifth one. Right? In group 2, I have done sixth one. Right? So I have uploaded the video to the YouTube. So then I will do fifth one. So that same thing you have to do in the sixth one as well. Right? Sixth one කරන්නේ නැහැ කියන්නේ fifth one එක කොහොමවත් කරලා නැහැ. If I am correct. Right? Right. Okay. So I will do second part, part A, fifth one. Right? Square root of 2745. Right? Square root of 2745. Again, you have four numbers name. Again, you have four numbers. Right? So group them. Right? 27, and with a small gap, you have to group it. Right? So then, right? Apply the division method. Right? Right. The question says find the value accurate to one decimal place. Right? Find the value accurate to one decimal place. One decimal place. So, if you hear the word one decimal place when you are using the division method, right? Can anyone tell me, right? Initially, how many number of decimal places you need to get? Initially, how many number of decimal places you need to calculate up to?
2.
Super, 2. Then if you want to find up to one decimal places, what can you do? You can turn on your mic. How they?
Find the decimal place for 2 points, and then I don't remember the word, but round off the second decimal place.
Super. You have to round off to the first decimal place. First, initially you have to find your answer up to 2 decimal places. Then you have to round it off to first decimal place. Right? Keep that in your mind. Right? So, first of all, you have 27 here. 27. So, what would be the perfect square number which is same? 25. So, 25. How you can obtain 25? 5 times 5. Right? So, get the subtraction which is 2. Take these two numbers down. 45. Right? Now you have 245 and double this. 10. What would be the ideal number that you are going to put here? Which satisfy 245. Right?
2.
Huh?
2.
Okay, let's see 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 1, okay, super. Right? Should be 2, right? Get the subtraction 1, 4, 0. Right. Now this is 41, and if you want to continue up to more decimal places, you have to put 2 zeros at the end. Extend the division. Take these 2 zeros down. Right? Now you have 4100. Now this is the portion 52, and if you are continuing furthermore, you have to put decimal place here, double this, so it will give you 104, right? 104, and choose the ideal number which is that you are going to put here and here. What would be? It should it definitely should not be 4, right? No, because it is already exceeding that 24. If you put 4, so definitely it should be 3, right? This should be 3. 3 into this one, it will give you 3000 something. If you put 4, it will be like 4000 or something. Eh? Oh yeah, 4000, and here 4000. Is it okay? No. Right? Let's see this. 16, 16, 17. It is exceeding, right? 176. No. 4 cannot be there, so you have to put 3. So 3 into this one. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. 3 times 1, 3. Get the subtraction. 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 2, 7. Here now you have 0. Take 1 from here. 10 minus 1, 9. Now here 971. Okay, now it is one decimal place and you have to go for another decimal place. So take another 2 zeros. Take these 2 zeros down. Right? 97,100. Right? 97,100. Right? Now double this 523. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 5, 10. Now this is 10,000 something. And you have to put the ideal number here to this place and this place. What it would be? Definitely it should not be 9, right? Because it will give you no, it should be 90. Let's see.
9.
9 next.
Yes.
Okay, let's check. 9 times 9, 81. 9 times 6, 54. 54 plus 8. 62, right? Remainder is 6. Then 9 times 4, 36. 36 plus 6, 42. 9 times 1, 9. Yes, it should be 9. 9 times this number, 94,221. 94,221. Now, if you already you have obtained up to 2 decimal places. Right? Already you have obtained up to 2 decimal places. Right? Actually, no need to subtract. But so let's do 1. So 10 minus 1, 9. 9 minus 2, 7. Here you have 0. Right? Then take 1 from here. 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. Right? So this is your answer up to 2 decimal places so that you can write square root of 2745, right? Approximately equal to this number 52.39. Right? So if you round it off, normally when you are rounding off, now you have 52.39. Now you have 2 decimal places. Right? May round off karna kada case sorry. So you guys can remember all the things from grade 9. Right? So that I have to repeat this again. Right? 52.39. So 2 decimal places. So this is for first decimal place, this is second. Right? So if you want to round off this number for the first decimal place, what you are going to do is you have to remove the second decimal place. right? You have to remove the second decimal place, which is 9. So if you are rounding it off, you have to check whether which is greater than 5 or less than 5. Only you have to check this, right? Now this is greater than or equal 5, 9. So that you have to add 1 to the next decimal place. Add 1 to the next decimal place so that it would become 552.4. And what happens to this second decimal place is it is eliminated. You can remove, eliminate. Right? So your final answer would be 52.4. That is how we are going to round off. Right? Right. So that should be the answer. So same thing you can apply for the sixth one as well, Yuruju. Right? And the answer is in the YouTube. Right? I will send the recording for you guys as well so that you can refer your homeworks. Right? Right. Okay. From part B, what do you have? From part B, what do you have? I already have something. 8th question. And 676 also there. Ne? Kauda mada matha nahi devumid. Kaura ikini kya 676. I see. I gila gu. Mada matha nahi right. Devumid. Yeah. Is it hard? Ek amaru. Right. I will do. How the para is na me. Divasi kyuge ru petta hai kya Yivas? Humera how the gila. So 676. It is from exercise 2.2. First question, right? Okay, Lovit Thamina, right? Square root of 26. Okay, you tell me how to find the square root of 26. Okay. Wait, okay, first of all, I will do 676. First, exercise 2.2, first question, first part. Right? Make a hurry over here, right? Mangitan. Right. So you have to find the square root of this next 676. Right? Division method. So normally you have 3 numbers here, and if you couple this like this, okay? So with a little bit of gap, you can write 676 like this because you are coupling it from right hand side to left hand, right? To this way. First pair, second pair, but we are not going to put 0 here and 6, small gap, 76. Okay? Right? Grouping. Very simple thing. Numbers there යාළු කරගන්න බැරුව කොහෙද නේ ලොකු වැඩ කරන්නේ. හරි. එතකොට මෙතන තමයි වරදින්නේ. ගොඩක් අයට වරදිනවා මෙතන, right? Most of the grade 10 and grade 11 students, right? Got wrong answer when coupling this. මේක group කරද්දී, right? You guys might messed up. අර හදිස්සියටනේ කරන්නේ, right? එතන exam එකේදී තියෙන you guys have the hurry. Not accuracy, but hurry. Hurry means correct name hurry. Speed take. Hurry. So you guys get messed up here. එතන අනිවාර්යෙන් short එක හම්බ කරගන්න අනිත් පැත්තේ නම් couple කරනවා. මේ 67 6 මේ මොකද්ද? දැන් මේ තිබ්බ නම්බරද නැහැ. Totally wrong. Right? So this is it. So පුතා කවුද? දෙව්මි. Tell me the perfect square number for 6.
4.
Okay. Done already. How it forms?
2 into 2.
2 into 2. Get the subtraction 2. 76 down, 276, double this 4. What would be the ideal number that we are going to put here? 276 should be satisfied by using this number and this number. What it would be? What the
6.
okay. Another one. Well, let's see. Let's see. Right? 6 times 6, 36. 3 is the remainder. 6 times 4. 24 plus this 27. Super. Right? So the remainder is 0. The square root of when I move is 26. Right? Right. And they will ask me to do what? What do you mean? Can you do square root of 26? Okay. 26, right? So it is from second part, right? Okay, I will do it here. Exercise 2.2, second question. Part A, subpart 3. Square root of 26 a day. So this is already you have two numbers, and also they are asking in the second question find the value accurate to one decimal place. One decimal place. So you have to find up to two decimal places. Right. Okay, let's do. So here you have 26. Already you have two numbers. No need to worry about. So you already know the perfect square number is 25. So it forms is 5 into 5. Get the subtraction 1. Right. So double this 10. Now here decimal point. Right. And here you have to put decimal point. So put 2 zeros at the end. Take these 2 zeros down so that you have 100. Right. And the number that you are going to put here, right, should satisfy this number. Right. So what should you put here? Can anyone explain? Explain what would be the number that you are going to put here?
0.
0.
Super. 0. Right. If you put number 1 with enter, right? If you put number 1 here, so you are going to put number 1 here also, so that this 1 into 101 is 101. So it is 101 that you are going to put here, so that it is already exceeding this 100. So that is not the match. Matching, right? So you cannot either put 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 those numbers, because it is exceeding this number. So you have to put 0 here and put 0 also here. 0 into this one, 0. Get the subtraction 100. Now first decimal place is okay. Then again put two zeros at the end. Then take these 2 zeros down. 0, 0. Now you have 10,000. Alright? Right. Now in the quotient you have 50 and double it. 50 you have to double. So it will give you 100. Right? It will give you 100. So now you have to put a number here which satisfy this number. What is the number that you are going to put? This is 1000 something in it, right? Here when you are reading it, 1001, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, blah blah blah, 1009, right? So what would be the ideal number that you are going to put here and here? Which satisfy
9.
9.
should be 9. Right? ඒක චක්‍රයේ එලගිරි වගේ තියෙන්න ඕනද? right multiplication table එක කට්ට වෙන්න ඕනද? හරිද? right. This should be 9 and here also 9. So that if you get this multiplication of 9 and this number, right, 9 times 9 81, 9 times 0 0, 9 times 0 0, 9 times 1 9, get the subtraction, 10 minus 1 9, 9 minus 8 1, here you have 9 minus 0 9, here you have 9 minus 9 0, 990, right? So already you have two decimal places, right? 5.09, right? So the square root of 26, right, approximately equal to 5.09, but this is not the final answer for our question. Here you have two decimal places, we need to keep it up to one decimal places so that we have to remove this 9, right? So like we did earlier, right, we are going to remove this 9 in the move karanne. So the thing that you have to check is whether this second decimal place is greater than or equal to 5 or less than or equal to 5. So you know this is greater than or equal to 5. So eliminate this and add 1 to this place, previous decimal place. So Buddha, your final answer will be, right, 5.1. Right? Right. Hello. Do you have any questions now? Okay, up to now all clear. So if you have any questions, you can ask from me. Now the opinion. Amina asked from me another question, right? Which one? Which one? Yeah, yeah. I am doing that. I'm doing this. Part B. So I will do random questions from that as well. Alright. Uday, do you have others? No problems of part B. Second question, part B. Good question. All good. I know. Eighth one is a question, right? I know. Others, are you all clear? Superb.
Yes, sir.
Superb. Right. Okay. So how do I do some random questions? මට මතක නෑ එදා මම අර ක්ලාස් එකේ මොනවද කළේ. I will do sixth one. Sorry. Fifth one I will do it. Fifth. So sorry. Second question. Part B. Fifth one. Right? Square root of 4061.3. Right? 4061.3. So you have to find the square root of this number for the first decimal place. Right? Right. So you have to couple it in group it first. Right. So how we are going to group? So you have whole number and decimal number as well. Right. So now I will show you how to couple it. Right. This is where is your decimal point. To this side, you have to go to left hand. To this side, you have to go to right hand. So first couple of numbers 61, second couple of numbers 40. to this side, it should be 30, right? So I will write this number by using small gaps, decimal place, right? Right. Now the division method. Now you have the first two numbers is 40. What could be the perfect square number? 36, ne? Right, 36. Right. 6 times 6. 36, get the subtraction which is 4, and same time take these 61 down, right? Double this 12. What is the ideal number that you are going to put here? Not exactly 4, but it should be 3.
3.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Hiril. Thanks. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, let's see. 3 times 1, 3. Right? So, 11 minus 9. 2. So, here you have 5. Take 1. 15. 9. Yes, 9. So, decimal place, decimal point, sorry. 30. 9,230. Then quotient is 63, double it. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 6, 12. What is the number that you are going to put here? Definitely it should be not 8 near. The
7.
7, right? Okay, thank you, sir.
7.
Oh, you right? 7. Put 7 here also. And let's check 7 times 7. 49. The remainder is 4. 7 times 6, 42. Right? 7 times 6, 42. 42 plus 4, 46. Remainder again 4. 7 times 2, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. Remainder is 1. 7 times 1, 8. Sorry, 7 times 1, 7 plus 1, 8. එක ස්ටෙප් එකක් ඉස්සරහින් ගියෝ මොක වෙනවා සමහර කට්ටිය හොඳයි මේ සුළු කරා යනකොට මූ හිතෙන් සුළු කරනවා එක ස්ටෙප් එකක් ඉස්සරහින් හරිද එතකොට තමයි අර නම්බර් එකකින් මගහැරලා ලියන්න ටස්ක් කරා හරිද ඔයගොල්ලන්ට ඒ සීන් එක වෙලා ඇති ඒ මොකක්ද දන්නවද ඔයාලගේ ඒ සමහර කට්ටිය ඉන්නවා එහෙම හරිද ඔයාලගේ brain function එක වැඩි අතේ වේගයට වැඩි හරිද when you are writing sometimes you are skipping the akuru letters you are skipping it, right? Because brain works more faster than your mother. Already brain works that. හරිද? or sometimes brain එකට sorry brain එකට කලින් අත වැඩ කරනවා හරි. එහෙම සීන් එකක් තියෙනවා. හරිද? එහලා යාළුවා skip කළා යනවා ඩටස් කාලේ එකපාරට. හරිද? එහෙම කේස් වෙනවා. ඒ වාලගේ මේ අර brain function එක සමහරවිට වැඩි. හරිද? එහෙම සීන් තියෙනවා වගේ. දැන් මගේ නම් මෙතන වැඩියක් නෙමෙයි උනේ මට අමතක වුණා හරිද හරි මගේ වැඩි නෑ මම වැඩි නම් මෙතන ඉන්නේ නෑ මම කියලා තියෙනවා මම අර අමුතු මැටි ජීවියෙක් කියලා පොඩි කාලේ right මම කියන්නේ එහෙම හරි බස් හරි ඔළුයි so this number is 8869 so get the subtraction 10 minus 9 1 now you have here 2 right so take 1 12 minus 6, 6. So here you have 1, take 1, 11, 3. 300, super, 361. Right, okay. Now you have to come, go for another decimal place. Right. Take these two zeros down. Now you have 36,100. So now you have 637, double it. 14. Right. Remainder is 1, 2 times 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Right? 2 times 6, 12. Okay. And here you have a number that you are going to put. And what would be that number? It should be 2, right? Not 3, right? 12 times 3 might mean 36. Neither. Hiruja, did you do it? If someone completed this one, please let me know what would be the ideal number.
2.
2, right? Thanks all. 2. It should, yeah, okay, good, thank you. So it should not be 3 because if you put 3 here, 3 times 12 already 36, right? Sometimes it might be a match, but it won't. Alright? 3 times 7 also 21. So remaining is 2. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. It is exceeding 8. No. So it is 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 4, 8. 2 times 7, 14. Remainder is 1. 2 times 2, 4 plus 1, 5. 2 times 1. Right? So no need to actually get the subtraction. I'm not going to take the subtraction. So I have 63.72 as the approximate answer, right? So here again, if I tell you, right, you have to round it off to the first decimal place. Like already you have 2 decimal places, right? So you are going to remove this guy. When I move, so this is less than 5. If it is less than 5 now, just remove it. Right? Eliminate. So your answer would be 63.2.
63.2.
7. Yeah, 7. And 63.7. Right? If this number is less than 5, just eliminate it. Don't even think about it. Just eliminate. Then you get the answer, right? So let's go to let's go to the 7th one, right? 7th one. 7th one. 0 point, sorry, square root of 0.0064, right? Right. Okay. Now here you have to calculate these two and these two, right? 0064. Right? Right. So here you have 0. Actually, if you have 0, no need to take care of that zeros. Just forget it. Or let it be. Right? So here you have to put 0, 0. 0 point. Again you have 2 zeros. Right? Instead of that 2 zeros, you have to again put zeros. 0.0 something. Right? Now you have 64. Right? Now you have 64. Right? If you want, you can do this by using your theory. Theory you can do it by the theory. Right? So how you are going to use the theory? 0, you have 0. So 0 sometimes 0, 0. Get the subtraction, it is 0. Decimal point. Take these 2 zeros down. 0, 0. Again, this is the quotient, double it, 0. Right? So no need to worry about, right? 0, again 0. Get the subtraction, again 0. Now take this 64 down. Right? So you have to follow the theory. Right? You have to follow the way. Right? So double is 0, 0, 0. Double it 0. Right? So here you have 0. Nil. So what would be the ideal number that you are going to put here which satisfies 64?
8.
8. Wait. No need to do that. 8. 8. 8 times 8, 64. Get the subtract. Super. Right? Nothing to worry about. Now this is done. But square root of 0.00064, right? Approximately equal to 0.08. 2 decimal places. Remove this last guy. Move greater than or equal to 5, right? delete this, add 1. So the answer would be 0.01. Right? For the 7th one, okay? Right. So now I am going to do 8th
The
one.
0.1.
Sorry, sir. 0. Yeah. Thank you then. And 0.1. Yes. Thanks, Agal. Eman වැරද්දක් කියම කරොත් ඒවයි කියන්න ඕනේ. හරි. Okay. That one is okay. Now I will do 8th one. Boring ද නිකන් මේව homeworks සාකච්ඡා කරන්න. ඒ බලා ඉන්න එනවා. ඔක්කොම පුළුවන් නම් ප්‍රශ්නයක් නැහැ. If you guys are very talented, doesn't matter. I can skip. Guess. Huh?
Yes, sir.
And right. 8 card. So the same thing, right? 0.000144. When someone asks from you guys to spell this, right, or read this number, you are not going to read this. Right? 0.000144. Supriya, that එහෙම කියන්න එපා. හරි පට්ට වැරදි කැතයි. හරි? අරක that one 0.0064 dial එක වගේ කියනවා. වැරදිනේ, right? Wrong. Right? So how you are going to read 0.0064. Hurry. How you are going to read this one? 0.000144. Each and every decimal number you have to speak up. Right? So read it. You have to read. Okay? Right. This one. So I will couple these two, and these two. Alright. Forget all the zeros. Now what is the number you have? 144. You know the square root of 144. It is 12, eh? 12 times 12, 144. Right? Kill that figure. So 0, 0, first two numbers, second two numbers, last two numbers. Here you have 0. Right? Here you have 0, 0. Take these two zeros down. Right? Decimal place 0, 0. Right? Get the subtraction 0. Get these two numbers down. Now you have 0, 1. You have 1. What is the perfect square number for 1? Which is satisfied 1 no less than that?
0.
Eh?
1.
Yes. 0. Is it a square number? 0. Do you have any square numbers called 0? What is the smallest square number? What is the smallest square number?
1.
1.
Oh, Nilan, yes. 1. Hiruja? Ikma medi hari itala uttara dennu. So here you have to put 1. 1 and here also 1. 1 times 1, 1. Right? Get the subtraction 0. Now you have these two. These two. Take these two down. 44. Now you have quotient 1, double it, 2 times 1, 2, and you have to fill this space and this space, and if you get the multiplication of these two numbers, it should satisfy 44. What it would be? What would be the number that you are going to put here? Yes, super. Should be 2. 2 times 22, 44. Get the subtraction 0. Perfect. Right? So the square root of 0.0000144 is approximately equal to 0.012. Actually, right? Actually, no need to go for this one. Because the question they are asking, find the value equivalent to 1 decimal places. So you can stop from here. Within 0.01. Right? But I gone for, right? I went for 3 decimal places. Doesn't matter. Right? Right. I will take it back as like this. Now you have 0.01. You have to round it off to the first decimal place. First decimal place. So you have to remove this one. Right? Less than 5. Less than 5. Remove this. So square root is approximately equal to 0.0. That means 0. Correct? Because too much decimal places in front of 144. So that the answer would become 0.0. That means 0. Just 0. Right? Right. So yeah, understood that. Do you have any questions from that? Any other question? Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, super. Others?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. So let's finish the homework discussion from here. Right.